guys raised $7,875. $10,640.
$12,900.
Dang.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. You are watching 12 DIYs of Giveaways, which is my annual fundraiser for Christ Hope International. We have been able to raise over $30,000 for them, and I am so excited to see what we can add to that number this year. For the next 12 days, we're gonna be doing gift ideas. Blog post down in the description for each category. So check that out. And with that, let's get going on some gift ideas for your loved one. Alrighty, let's talk about some gift ideas for grandma and grandpa. If you have a young grandma or young grandpa, look at the gift ideas for her and gift ideas for him. These are more for those grandma and grandpas who just love their grandkids so much, and anything they make is pretty much amazing to them. But we also tried to think of something, I tried to think of things that were a little bit more cool rather than just here's my kid's thumbprint on an ornament, hope you love it. A sublimated blanket. These are from Amazon, and you can also get full polyester blankets on Amazon and just kind of go crazy with whatever you want to add to them. You don't have to be confined to the squares. So I will be trying that out this holiday season, but if you're brave and you want to try it out and tag me in it so I can see what you do with it. Sublimated tumblers. I will say putting pictures of their grandkids on anything is awesome, and if you can get a really nice tumbler, it helps. I know you can order things like this from Snapfish and all those other places, but if you're a DIYer like me, I would prefer to buy a case of 25 and just make gifts for everybody, and then have some as backup if I'm selling them or whatever, giving them away. That's what a gift is, you're giving it away. So making a bulk order of sublimation tumblers and then making them for grandma, grandpa, uncles, aunts, friends, all the things. I'm using the MakerFlow tumblers this year and all MakerFlow products because I've created Canva templates that go along with them for my members. So you can edit them, add your own photos, change them up. I have a tutorial out on that so that you guys can use that and create custom template or tumblers with the templates just using Canva, which is available to everybody. Picture frame, and you add Mimi and Papa or Grandma and Grandpa or whatever your special name is. That's the nice thing about being able to customize things with the Cricut is everybody has different names, whether you're Grandma or Momo or whatever, you can take that and put it on there. But I love the digital picture frames that you can change out the photos for your grandma and grandpa. This is definitely something that is nice for your grandma and grandpa who are a lot older, who don't know how to look at Facebook or look at anything that has photos, because you can actually digitally add photos as much as you want. And so if your kids are at a softball game or did something amazing or made a new piece of art, you can take a picture of it and upload it, and then it'll just go up on their mantle, and then they can look at new pictures all the time. But adding that little element of personalized touch, I feel would make it even cuter. So a wood burned hand-drawn cutting board. So this is really easy to do because they have pens on Amazon that are just pretty much torch paste or torch liquid in a pen, and what you can do is have the kids draw cute pictures on the charcuterie. Maybe you're a grown grandchild or you are an artist and you want to draw something really cool on the charcuterie board or the cutting board, and you just draw it all on there. Or you trace the kids' hands and have them write their names, or we love baking with grandma, and then put some cute things on there, and then you just torch it. All of the names that come out, you can make a custom sign. Amazon actually has these cute wood discs, and you can get them I think in a set of 20, so you could make multiple for multiple people. They come with ribbon, or you could DIY with your own ribbon or florals or whatever. You can make it interchangeable, but I really like the idea of DIYing a wreath that already has the elements pretty much ready for you. You can just chalk paint it or stencil vinyl or whatever you want to do to it. Wood ornaments with pictures. We're going to be making these live probably this year, but I have done them before, and just Mod Podging pictures onto wood and then turning them into ornaments. I feel like grandparents love ornaments. They are easy to store. They already are going to be you know, they already might have some throughout the years, but they change every year too. Like there's always new reasons to make ornaments. Wood grandkid sign. I love these. We have this for the family birthday boards, and we have this as a kit that like you can download the SVG, but Amazon has like wood planks. You could just buy wood planks too and stain them and then add the hooks and add the circles and add the things. You can also hang twine and put the clips and then put photos on there as well. Shower steamers. That's super not sentimental, but shower steamers are one of those things that you can buy multiple of the ingredients and across the board give away to aunts, uncles, sisters, brothers, everybody. I like the shower steamers personally. Sublimation puzzle. The thing is they come in like a set of 12, so they don't have like a box or a case, so you can make a little paper box out of some of our boxes on our membership, or you could like buy a set of cute boxes and then just like print the picture that the puzzle is and put it on the top. Or you could just get like a jar and put them in a jar and put the picture on the jar. I don't know, but I thought it'd be cute, and I thought grandparents would probably enjoy putting together a cute little puzzle of their picture or something. Sublimation mugs. These are super cute, super easy. You can do them with infusible ink. You can do them with sublimation and print them. The mugs are available on Amazon. And kids, guess who game. Now, Pinterest. I'm putting a link to the Pinterest because you can hand make this yourself. But after I saw it, I was like, you could also just like pick up a Guess Who game at the thrift store or find one somehow or buy a new one and then swap out the pictures with pictures of your grandkids. And then if you have enough grandkids or people, you could like I think about my grandma when she was alive. This would have been so cute to make for her, especially if I could make it custom and make it bigger, because she had 101 descendants when she died. How cool would it have been if I made a board with all of her grandkids? Like 101 grandkids that she could play Guess Who with. And then it would be such a fun game for you to play with your grandparents, because they could like tell you fun things about these people. It would be like, oh, this is a person who's never been stung by a bee. I don't know. Just sharing like fun stories of all these people and learning more about grandparents. I feel like that's such a fun way to do that. Now I want to make them. Like now I want to make that. I think it would be so cute. Grandkid bookmarks. So just printing out a picture of the kiddos doing something funny, like hanging from the monkey bars or something, and then you just cut it out, laminate it, put a little tassel on it, and then that's their bookmark when they're reading. So that's my ideas for grandparents. You guys have ideas, let us know in the comments below. We love to collaborate and come up with ideas together so that our gift season can be so much more fun and enjoyable. All right, love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.